I was in an auto accident in Grayson, Georgia. In fact, on the main street of my hometown, and I was rear-ended. I contacted the insurance company of the other driver. They knew that I was injured. They asked me to go to the doctor. They told me they would take care of all medical expenses. In fact, they told me that they would cover my initial doctor's visit. The first time I went to the doctor, I was turned away. They were concerned about delaying and stalling, and finally I received a letter. And in that letter, they used an interesting word. They said alleged injuries. That was at a 2-week point when I realized that I was over my head. I really needed legal help. And that's when I started to look for an attorney in Georgia and was blessed to find Charles Scholle and his legal team. 4 things that I really wanted. I wanted somebody that had great knowledge of law. I wanted somebody that was exhibited integrity, doing things right all the time. I wanted somebody that was committed to me and to my case, and I really needed somebody that would communicate well. The amazing thing about Charles Scholle and his legal team is I felt comfortable from the first moment I made the phone call. I had phone numbers for Charles, the attorney, for his paralegal, Christine, always available. And the amazing thing is, I felt like it was the only case they had. In fact, there was one time that I called and I got Christine, the paralegal, and she just clearly said to me, David, your job is to recover and get better. Let us handle the legal problems and don't worry about it. And I'm telling you what, that's probably the first night I slept well when I realized that Charles Scholle and his legal team were there for me.